How to set up Snapchat time capsule. To set up the Snapchat time capsule, first of all, you have to go ahead and then launch the Snapchat application on your device. Once you open it, make sure that you are switched to the front-facing camera option. Now tap on the smiley icon on the bottom right below the SATA button. From here, once the lenses panel is opened, you simply have to use the magnifying glass on the top right to search for the time capsule lens. Go ahead and then type time capsule and then proceed to search it. You should be able to find all these lenses over here. You simply have to tap on any lenses or select the official version built by the Snapchat to launch the environment itself. Once you do this, all you have to do is now go ahead and then configure your time and age progression. From there, you can also add friend and send the capsule. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.